Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm sharing with you how to make this beautiful, simple Dollar Tree planter box. So I have these coasters that I picked up at Dollar Tree. They're new, and all we're going to do is make a box out of it. Really simple. So I have two that say grateful and two that say blessed. So also I have just a piece of cardboard here, and I'm just using that for the bottom of this planter box that we're going to make. You could just use another coaster, but I'm just going to use the cardboard. So I'm just cutting it out to the size of the coaster. So now we're just going to make a box basically. I'm using hot glue. You could use like E6000, and all you want to do is just place the two coasters at the corners right where that cork starts is where you're going to have the glue, so you don't see the cork after you glue it together. Now you just want to flip the coasters upside down, and you're just going to go ahead and glue that piece of cardboard right to the bottom. If you're using a coaster, do the same thing. So I bought that 4-pack of these floral foams. This is the size they are. They're basically the perfect size. And I'm just going to go ahead and push that down to the bottom of the coaster to add some beautiful faux flowers. So here you go, guys, this really easy but beautiful Dollar Tree flower box. I just added the beautiful faux flowers from Dollar Tree, and I think it came out absolutely gorgeous. If you guys love it, please give me that thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video, leave me a comment, and if you're new, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys really soon in the next DIY.